And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the 30 Minute Sisters SIS N00 Sourei Color B. Yes, so as you can see in the box art, she is a demon girl and she wields a katana, and of course, just some sort of a sailor suit. And it's color B, meaning I think color blue. Yep. Off to the side, we can see that it has three different face expressions, and of course, how she looks up, geared up, some action things that you can do with her. And off to the side, it is shown that you can customize it with other 30 minutes mission and, of course, 30 minutes fantasy. So, everything in the 30 minutes line. So, opening up the box, first bag, yep, here it is, the three different facial expressions that I said. Another bag has all white, all blue, and all gray. Another bag with a multicolored sprue, some flesh color, and some white. And another bag with all black and all brown or flesh color. And of course, we can't forget the instruction manuals here. So again, you can see Sourei here. Some different poses that you can do with her, and of course again, what in the back, it shows you that you can combine it with other 30 minutes sisters, 30 minutes mission, and of course the 30 minutes fantasy. And of course you can change her body type and as such. And yep, let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first up, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. You can see some light blue, some dark blue, some blacks, and of course some clear blue here, for some special effects, I guess. Then we have the B sprue here, which is, all flesh colored or brown colored. We see manipulators, some hands, joints. Going back to the C sprue, it goes back with the dark blue color. D sprue then goes back with a flesh color for other parts like the thighs, necks, and stuff. E sprue is all black. This is the all black of her, I think, her suit, and of course, the other parts of her armor, I guess. Then we have the F sprue here, which is all white, so some parts of the sailor uniform that she wears, and of course, the sword is here. It also has a TA1. I'm not sure what this is for currently. We have a hair parts Q1 here, which is a sort of a grayish, brownish hair color. Yeah, I guess. And then, yes, going back to the face parts here for the different facial expressions that you can see, that you can make it or show it to her. And there you have it, 30 Minutes Renaissance, folks. That was what's inside the 30 Minutes Sisters SIS N00 Sourei Color B. Yes, she is actually the first Oni, or the demon girl, released before Shureni, but yeah, I just got Shureni first before her. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.